Welcome back to edquest. Hey everyone, let's understand simple linear regression with a super relatable example: ice cream consumption versus temperature. Imagine this: on hot days, people eat more ice cream, on cold days, not so much. There's a clear pattern: as the temperature goes up, ice cream sales also go up. This is where simple linear regression helps. It draws a straight line through your data points to show this relationship. Technically, we are trying to predict ice cream sales based on the temperature. The same formula we are using here: y is equals to mx plus c, where y is ice cream sales and x is temperature. Once we train the model with enough data, we can predict if the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, how many cones might be sold. And that's how simple linear regression helps us understand real world patterns with just one variable. Cool, right? Our next topic will be multiple linear regression. Stay tuned for more machine learning magic. Thank you.